Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hey there, I'm Saeem. Thanks for joining us.
We make videos so that those who are interested in learning English can easily learn English. Please like this video and subscribe.
Yeah, we're going to talk about shopping for clothes.
Exactly. How to shop for clothes, what to say in stores, and all the vocabulary you need.
Right, whether you're shopping online or in a physical store.
This lesson will help you.
And we'll keep everything super simple and easy to understand.
We'll speak slowly and clearly, just like always.
So just relax, listen, and imagine you're shopping with us.
By the end of today, you'll feel confident talking about clothes shopping in English.
All right, let's begin.
So, Saim, how's your morning going?
Pretty good, Sarah. I was actually just thinking about shopping for clothes today.
Oh, really? Do you need to buy something?
Well, I might need some new jeans. Mine are getting old.
I know that feeling. I actually love shopping for clothes.
Really? You're one of those people who enjoys it?
I am, but I know not everyone does.
That's true. Some people love it, some people hate it.
Exactly. But either way, we all need to buy clothes sometimes.
Right. So we should know how to talk about it in English.
So everyone, get ready to learn all about clothes shopping.
Let's do it.
Okay, Saim, so let's start with the basics. What are some common clothing items?
Good idea. So first, shirt. That's a basic one.
Yes, a shirt is what you wear on your upper body.
Right. I need to buy a new shirt.
This shirt looks nice.
Perfect. And what about pants?
Yes, or some people say trousers. It's the same thing.
Right. In American English, we usually say pants.
I'm looking for black pants.
These pants fit perfectly.
Great. And what about jeans?
Oh yes, jeans are casual pants made from denim.
Right. I wear jeans almost every day.
Do you have these jeans in a larger size?
Perfect. And what about dress?
Yes, a dress is a one-piece clothing item, usually for women.
Right. I'm looking for a dress for a wedding.
That dress looks beautiful on you.
Oh, thank you. And what about skirt?
Yes, a skirt covers the lower body, usually for women.
I need a skirt for work.
This skirt is too short for me.
Good. And what about jacket?
Yes, a jacket is what you wear over your other clothes when it's cold.
Do you have this jacket in blue?
I love this leather jacket.
Excellent. And what about sweater?
Yes, a sweater is warm and usually made from wool or cotton.
I need a sweater for winter.
This sweater is so cozy.
I love that word, cozy. It means comfortable and warm.
Exactly. So, everyone, those are basic clothing items.
Yes, shirt, pants, jeans, dress, skirt, jacket, sweater.
All right, Sarah, so now let's talk about what happens when you enter a clothing store.
Yes, this is really practical.
Right. So usually when you walk in, a salesperson might say, "Hello, can I help you find anything?"
Yes, that's very common. Or they might say, "Welcome, let me know if you need any help."
Right. And how do you respond?
Well, if you want help, you can say, "Yes, please, I'm looking for a jacket."
Or, "Yes, do you have jeans in size 32?"
Perfect. But what if you just want to browse?
Good question. You can say, "No thanks, I'm just looking."
Or, "I'm just browsing, thank you."
Yes, browsing means looking around without a specific plan.
Exactly. And that's totally fine. You can just look around.
Right. You don't have to buy anything.
Exactly. So those are the first conversations when you enter a store.
Yes, very simple and polite.
Okay, Saim, so let's say you found something you like. What questions do you ask?
Right. So first, you might ask about sizes. Do you have this in size medium?
What sizes do you have?
Do you have a smaller size?
Perfect. And what about colors?
Yes. Do you have this in blue?
What colors does this come in?
Do you have this in a darker color?
Great. And what about styles?
You can ask, do you have this style in a different fabric?
Do you have something similar but more casual?
Perfect. And what if they don't have what you want?
Sorry, we're out of stock in that size.
Or, we don't have that color right now, but we can order it for you.
Yes, and you can say, okay, thank you anyway.
Or, yes, please, can you order it?
Perfect. So everyone, don't be shy. Ask questions.
Right, that's what the salespeople are there for.
Okay, Siam. So I want to share a funny shopping story with everyone.
Oh, I love stories. Tell us.
Okay, so this happened about 6 months ago.
Okay.
I was invited to a fancy dinner party and I needed a new dress.
Okay, that makes sense.
So I went to the mall and I was walking around looking for dress stores.
Right?
And I found this really nice boutique. It looked elegant and had beautiful dresses in the window.
Sounds perfect.
So I walked in and immediately a salesperson came over.
Okay,
She said, "Hello, what are you looking for today?"
that's a normal question.
It is. So I said, "I'm looking for a dress for a dinner party."
Good.
And she said, "Wonderful. What's your style? Casual or formal?"
Good question.
So I said, "Formal, but not too fancy."
Makes sense.
So she started showing me different dresses. The first one was a long black dress.
Okay.
And I said, "Can I try this on?" And she said, "Of course. The fitting rooms are in the back."
Perfect.
So I went to the fitting room and tried it on.
How did it look?
Honestly, it was too long and a little too tight.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so I came out and told the salesperson, "This one doesn't fit well. Do you have it in a larger size?"
Good question.
And she said, "Let me check." And she went to look.
Okay.
But she came back and said, "Sorry, that was our last one in stock."
Oh, no.
I know. So she said, "But let me show you something else."
Good salesperson.
She was great. So she brought me a red dress.
Ooh, red.
Yeah, and at first I thought, I don't know, red is bold.
You weren't sure?
No, but she said, "Just try it. You might love it."
Good advice.
So I tried it on, and Saeem, it was perfect.
Really?
Yes, it fit perfectly. The length was right, the color looked amazing.
That's wonderful.
So I came out of the fitting room and the salesperson said, "Wow, that looks incredible on you."
See? Red was a good choice.
It was. So I bought it right away.
And did you wear it to the dinner party?
I did, and I got so many compliments.
That's awesome.
So everyone, the lesson is be open to trying new things when shopping. You might surprise yourself.
Great advice.
And also, good salespeople can really help you find the right item.
Absolutely.
Those who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now. Thank you.
All right, Sarah, so let's talk about trying clothes on. The fitting room.
Yes, this is so important because you need to make sure things fit.
Exactly. So first, you ask, can I try this on?
Or where are the fitting rooms?
Right, and the salesperson will usually say, the fitting rooms are over there.
Or follow me, I'll show you.
Perfect. And what about how many items you can take?
Good point. Some stores have limits. They might say you can take up to 6 items at a time.
Right, so you need to count your items.
Exactly. And when you're in the fitting room trying things on,
You're deciding if it fits.
right, so you might think this fits perfectly.
Or this is too tight.
This is too loose.
This is too short.
This is too long.
Right, all of these describe fit.
Exactly. And if something doesn't fit, you can ask, "Do you have this in a different size?"
Yes, the salesperson might check for you.
Right. And if nothing fits, that's okay. You can say, "Thank you, but these don't fit me."
Perfectly polite.
Exactly. Okay, Sime, so let's talk about prices, because that's important when shopping.
Oh, yes, very important.
Right. So first you might ask, "How much is this?"
Or, what's the price of this shirt?
Perfect. And the salesperson might say, "That's $29.99.
Or, this one is on sale for $45.
Ooh, on sale. That means it's discounted.
Right, the price is lower than usual.
Exactly. So you might ask, "Is this on sale?"
Or, do you have any sales going on?
Great questions. And what about discounts?
You can ask, do you have any discounts?
Is there a student discount?
Do you offer a senior discount?
All good questions. And what if something is too expensive?
You can say, that's a little out of my budget.
Or, "I think I'll wait for a sale."
Very polite ways to say it's too expensive.
Exactly. And you don't have to buy something just because you tried it on.
Right. It's okay to say thank you, but I'll think about it.
Perfect.
All right, Sarah, now I want to share my shopping story.
Yes, I want to hear this.
Okay, so remember I mentioned I need new jeans?
Yes.
Well, last month I went shopping for jeans, and it was an adventure.
Oh no, what happened?
So I went to this big department store,
Okay.
and I found the men's jeans section. There were so many options.
That can be overwhelming.
It was. There were different brands, different styles, different colors.
Right.
So I picked out 5 pairs of jeans to try on.
Good. Variety is good.
So I asked the salesperson, where are the fitting rooms? And he pointed me in the right direction.
Okay.
So I went in and tried on the first pair.
How were they?
Too tight. I could barely button them.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so I tried the second pair.
And
Too loose. They were falling down.
this is getting difficult.
It was, so I tried the third pair.
Come on, third time's the charm.
Well, they fit okay around the waist, but they were too short.
Oh, Sime.
I know. I looked like I was ready for a flood.
Flood pants. That's what we call pants that are too short.
Exactly. So I tried the fourth pair.
Please tell me these worked.
They were too long. They were dragging on the floor.
Oh, this is like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Nothing is just right.
I know. So finally, I tried the fifth pair.
Come on.
And they fit.
Finally.
Yes, they were perfect. Not too tight, not too loose. The length was right.
Thank goodness.
So I came out of the fitting room and went to pay.
Good.
And the cashier said, "Did you find everything okay?" And I said, "Eventually." And we both laughed.
That's a good attitude.
Yeah, and you know what I learned?
What?
Finding the right fit takes time. You have to try on multiple items.
Absolutely. Everyone's body is different.
So everyone, don't get discouraged if the first thing you try doesn't fit. Keep trying.
Great advice. Patience is key when shopping.
Exactly.
Okay, Sime, so let's talk about paying for your clothes.
Yes, the final step.
Right. So when you're ready to buy, you go to the checkout or the register.
Yes, the checkout or cash register is where you pay.
Yes. So you might say, this doesn't fit. Can I exchange it?
Or do you have a bigger size?
Right. And what about the item is damaged?
Yes, you might notice a stain or a tear.
So you say, excuse me, this item has a tear. Do you have another one?
Perfect. And what about the price is wrong?
Yes. Sometimes the tag price doesn't match what's in the system.
Right. So you say the tag says $20, but you charged me $30.
And they'll fix it.
Right. And what about I want to return something?
You say, I'd like to return this. I have my receipt.
Perfect. So everyone, don't be afraid to speak up if there's a problem.
Right. Stores want you to be happy. Okay, Sime, so let's talk about shopping for different seasons.
Yes, because we need different clothes for different weather.
Right. So for summer, you might shop for
Tank tops, shorts, sandals.
swimsuits, sunglasses, light dresses,
Perfect. And for winter,
coats, boots, scarves.
gloves, sweaters, warm socks.
Right. And for fall,
Light jackets, jeans, long-sleeved shirts.
boots, cardigans,
Yes. And for spring,
light sweaters, rain jackets.
sneakers, comfortable pants.
Perfect. So the season affects what you buy.
Absolutely.
All right, everyone, let's do a quick vocabulary review.
Yes, let's go over the keywords.
Okay, basic clothing items.
Shirt, pants, jeans, dress, skirt, jacket, sweater.
Shopping phrases.
Can I try this on? Where are the fitting rooms? How much is this?
Describing fit.
Too tight, too loose, too short, too long, perfect fit.
Payment vocabulary.
Checkout, cash register, credit card, receipt, return policy.
Style descriptions.
Casual, formal, trendy, classic, vintage, sporty.
Online shopping.
Add to cart, checkout, shipping address, track my order.
Perfect. That's a lot of vocabulary.
It is, but it's all useful.
Okay, Sime, so before we finish, let's give everyone some final shopping tips.
Yes, so first, know your size.
Yes, this makes shopping so much easier.
Right, write down your sizes and keep them in your phone.
Great idea. And second, set a budget.
Yes, decide how much you want to spend before you go shopping.
Right. This helps you avoid overspending.
Exactly. And third, be patient.
Yes, finding the right item takes time.
Right, don't buy something just because you're tired of looking.
Good advice. And fourth, try things on.
Yes, don't just guess. Sizes vary between brands.
Exactly. And fifth, don't be afraid to ask for help.
Right, salespeople are there to help you.
And finally, have fun with it.
Yes, shopping can be enjoyable.
Absolutely. It's about expressing yourself. You know, Sime, talking about clothes shopping today made me realize something.
What's that?
Shopping for clothes is actually about more than just buying things.
How so?
It's about finding things that make you feel confident and comfortable.
That's so true.
Like when I found that red dress, it wasn't just about having something to wear.
Right?
It made me feel good about myself, and that's important.
Absolutely. Clothes are a form of self-expression.
Exactly. And when you're shopping in English, you're not just learning vocabulary.
Right, you're also learning to communicate your needs and preferences.
So everyone, whether you love shopping or you just do it when you have to,
Remember that it's a skill you can practice,
yes, and the more you practice, the easier it gets.
both the shopping and the English.
Exactly.
All right, everyone, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, thanks for joining us.
We hope you learned lots of useful vocabulary about shopping for clothes.
And we hope you feel more confident shopping in English.
So, what's your favorite type of clothing to shop for? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, do you prefer shopping in stores or online?
And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
We have lots more English lessons coming soon.
All right, everyone, take care.
Happy shopping!
And remember, be confident when you speak English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.